Welcome to Dots Working, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can import point cloud, RCP and RCS file formats into Revit. So if you are familiar with my previous tutorials, I have a tutorial on how you can convert images to RCP and RCS files in Autodesk Recap Pro so that Revit can read them, and also have another one for Pixel 4D Mapper. um, but in this tutorial, I'm going to try and apply that in Revit and some tips and some tricks that I use to make it stable. So in the Insert tab here, you just click on Point Cloud. You can see the different versions. You use different file types that you use, and you click. Okay, so now you come to your wherever you've saved it on your desktop, or wherever. In this case, it's on my desktop, and then I have the file here, and you just click OK. It's good for you to save it in a very specific place that I can just easily find it. And then you can see the .rcp file, and I press open. So after that, yes, gives you a little bit of warning or whatever, and then you press OK. So in this case, you can see that I have the file here. You can come to, I can even come to my um, level view, and mind you, it's good for you to be importing this in a 3D view rather than any other view or in a plan view. Put it in a 3D view. So you come to a level, which in this case it's above level 1. As you can see here, it's above. I just use a shortcut that I used to map. I mapped earlier on. So what I do is that I come to elevation view, and then I select the point cloud, press MV, the typical shortcut for moving, or if you come to your modify tab, you can see it here. And then you just click on a specific point that you can be certain that's where your base point is of the model, and you move vertically down to where the level is. And then when you do that and you come to your viewpoint, you can see it somewhere. It's not fully shown, but points that are around here are shown, as you can see. So normally I expect you to be working mostly in 3D view when this is happening. I have a tutorial on some tips on how you can work properly with 3D views and really applying work planes and everything. So now, as you can see, we have our model looking nice. It's very interesting. You can even zoom in and you can see how it's fairly detailed. So one of the other things that I would love to do, I normally do, sorry, is that I pin the file. So you can just come here and build the point clouds. When you press pin, it presents it for moving. Even though with time you can see some slight movements because of the nature of the geometry, but it works. So in that case, you can just start working on the model using your levels and just try and bring the building out. So yes, I'll see you in the next one.